Welcome back to Heavy Haul HQ. My name's Gabe, I'll be your host. We had one of the insanest nights last night. We were here till 7 o'clock. My face got a little sunburned because of it. This sun out here in Georgia is incredibly hot. But I wanted to show you around this cool load because it is dangerous, and just when you thought Heavy Haul couldn't get any more dangerous, check out this load. This is why we were here. We were trying to pin on a fourth axle onto like a Fontaine heavy haul trailer. It's actually an extendable 55 ton, but then the air tank was in the way, so we were gonna have to modify it, and Mike's almost done. You can see Mike right there. He's one of my favorite techs, and very nice pin on axle. Air tank was in the way, so we made him a plate up here so we could get all the air lines and electrical cables out of the way, and then we'll make sure all the shut-off valves are supplied properly, because if you're running it with a spreader bar, you can put more weight on that back axle, but that's a story for another video. But this box right here that you're seeing looks like just an old Connex box. But you can see right here on it, this is a Connex box number 3536, indicating hazardous materials. And you can see the triangle stating it's super heavy. You can see how many chains they got on it, all four corners, cross chains, the whole 9 yards. What's inside the box, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. It is a lithium battery. It's labeled across the top. I flew the drone over it earlier. Right here on the side, you can see where it says lithium block, more chains and binders on the front. For whatever reason, it says 55H on the neck. You see that right there? But I would think it would say 55MX because it's the extendable version. It's pretty much the same thing as a 55H. It can run as a 3+1 or 4 in a row, but I thought that was pretty nuts. It's a lithium block. Imagine you're already having a tough time because you got to get this low trailer with only 6 inches of ground clearance above railroad tracks, get it back down below the bridges. But then you add this fire hazard of an entire lithium block in there. These things are running day and night, all day, all night. And then check out this truck. That's one you don't see every day. It's an International. It's actually a very nice looking International. 4 axles, you know, you got your steer axles, and then 3 in the back, 2 drives and a pusher. And this thing is kitted out. It's actually got a really nice motor in it, really big motor. It's a Cummins X15 with 605 horsepower. I think they call it the X15 605. He's got his flashers running, and this is for a really cool company called USA Inc. You couldn't have a more American name than that. It's just very patriotic, very cool to see. So we're here right now. It is 12:40, but we were here till 7 o'clock last night trying to get it sorted, and I said we're gonna have to revisit this in the morning because we're gonna have to modify it, and there's just too tight of quarters to get all the air and electrical plug back in. And then golly, Randy's wrecker's out here looking like $1 million bucks, maybe $1.5 million. Plus, if you look at the sky behind me, if it'll show up, the bottom's about to drop out of it, which is just as fine by me because it's about 110 degrees out here in Atlanta, Georgia. So this is Randy's wrecker out of Metter, Georgia. You can see they got a 55 ton Fontaine trailer, and we just put a brand new Apatong floor in there. I like how they kind of covered it with metal in the back, hammer plates all over the place. We put a brand new Apatong floor, and then we stained it with the wood sealer. A lot of them are called like an Apatong oil. But I mean, really, for the age of this thing, that is a sharp looking trailer. Sharp looking truck too. This one's a 55 LCC, but I think they put an L Plus sticker on it. That's his little logo right there. He's got it on the T-bar. I think the driver that normally drives this one is called Country. But he's a really nice guy. Yeah, you can see they have it on the truck there, Randy's wrecker and service. And he comes up here and gets all his floors done on his Landals, on his Fontaines, on his whole fleet. Always has, always will. There's a really sharp red color on the Peterbilt, and it matches pretty closely with that Viper red on that Fontaine workhorse. fenders are all painted, fiberglass fenders. And that thing is really cool. I think he's actually about to get some more lumber. He's getting it out of our lumber piles. We have 3 or 4 lumber piles over there. We have 1.5 by 8. We have 2 by 12. We have 5/16 by 7 wide and 5 wide. And look how they have this last axle. They just got it lifted up in the air by dropping the suspension and then putting that bottom pin in. Pretty clever, huh? So then it's riding up off the ground. And then they got that airlift on that third axle. And then one of the last trailers I wanted to show you was this Landau 835 Ramp Master trailer. They did some cool stuff. They put that epoxy that we're always showing on the channel. Look how grippy that is. It feels like sandpaper. And so that's really good. It's for a forklift company. So you can see on the front of it, that whole entire front has a removable gooseneck, and then that ramp will come down. And then check out the back side of it. It's got work lights here, stop, turn, tail lights. So that way, if you're still hooked up to your truck, you're still gonna have stop, turn, tails on the side of the road. And then check out the bottom of the ramp. They went ahead and put a toolbox on the front. It's got full nylon fenders and mud flaps. And this whole neck is designed where it goes with like a whole swooping motion. So it's only one handle on this spool valve. And once it's set up to your truck, it is like a dream come true. 35-ton capacity, but these can be all the way up to 55-ton capacity. Donnie's over here. He's loading up some more outrigger boards for Randy's wrecker. And so we have piles of this stuff, and it is just as good as gold. It has such a higher strength than like a white oak. And especially you'll see people come in a lot of times, they'll redo their floors with pine. Pine is going to be weaker. I think white oak is right around 1200 PSI. And then the Apatong lumber is going to be something more like a 2000 PSI. We got some new mud flaps in as well. They're pretty cool. They got an embossed logo on them. So it's kind of like 3D pattern. They have our logo down there. And I've never seen any like this, but they're almost like a silicone. So they're a little bit suppler. I was tired of those old plastic mud flaps. So we got those in, and those are going to be really cool. We got some really cool new binders in. We got all our grade 100 chain in. So new binder, 15,000 pound strength. We got all our normal stuff. Oversized signs, traditional. And then the new special oversized sign. That's about 3/8 of an inch thick of aluminum. You can hear how loud it is when it cracks open. Or cracks shut, I guess it would be. And they have our logo on the back. It would normally be in the other orientation. But yeah, we have grade 100 chain, grab hooks. This is a grab hook. Foundry hooks. This is a foundry hook. This is all 1/2 inch. Then you go down to 3/8 inch. Then you'll have your grade 70 chain, 1/2 inch, grade 70 chain, 3/8. These are some of my favorite. These are the Miller frame hooks. We got those in. And then all the binders with folding handle, grab hook to slip hook, double hook. Then you have grab hook to just the regular slip hook, and then just your traditional binders. Thank you guys again so much for watching. It's been my pleasure to be your host. My name is Gabe. If you need me for anything, it's gabe@lowboydealer.com, or you can always hit me up at 888-LOWBOY1. That's the phone number. And please have safe travels on your journeys.
Yo, it's Hefty Hall HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power of the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks on the highway, flexing the muscle. Heavy haul nation, we hustle and tussle. Precision and skill, that's how we roll. From coast to coast, we're reaching our goal. No load too big, no job too tough. At Heavy Haul HQ, we play it rough. Move the weight, we bring the freight. Heavy Haul HQ, we dominate. On the road, we stand tall. When it comes to haul, then we do it all. Big rigs, big dreams, rolling through the night like a laser beam. Heavy Haul HQ, we got the game. On the road to glory, we're riding the fame. Customized, blue lights gleaming. Trail King super stretch, just like we're dreaming. Every trailer's a beast, every truck's a king. In the world of heavy haul, we reign supreme. Got the team on deck, every move precise. Navigating highways like rolling the dice. From parts to service, we keep it tight. TM trailer sales, we shine the light. Collaborating with the best like trucks in the game. Marketing moves, we stake our claim. From pit TikTok, hooks to YouTube fame. Heavy Haul HQ, remember the name. Move the weight, we bring the freight. Heavy Haul HQ, we dominate. On the road, we stand tall. When it comes to hauling, we do it all. Big rigs, big dreams, rolling through the night like a